Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the long-awaited empty house tour. If you're new to our channel, we just bought our very first house and we're so excited about it. And I am more excited to get to show you guys and bring you along on the whole journey of moving in and decorating and all of that. So today I'm gonna share with you the empty house tour and I'm gonna go through all of the rooms and let you guys see it. Walking into the front door, this is what you see. This direction is the kitchen back there, and then this is the dining room. And then right here is a half bath. So there's just a nice little sink. We might end up switching out that sink, and we're definitely gonna get a new mirror for here. It's just a regular old half bath. Here's the front door and the porch, and then over here is the dining room, and I love this room. I've never had a formal dining room before. I don't know what you call this, but I love it. I think it's so pretty and adds just a nice texture and detail. It's a nice big window with these blinds that pull down, and then this light fixture, I actually really like it. So we're gonna have to get a new dining set for this room because the one that we currently have doesn't match this style. And then in through here is the kitchen, refrigerator, cabinets. The cabinets are a light gray. So I'm trying to decide if one day we want to paint the cabinets, redo the countertops, but for now, we're pretty happy with it. And then this is the pantry. It's not huge, but a lot of houses in this town don't even have pantries, so we're excited for that. And then there's not a ton of storage as far as cabinets go, but these go all the way up to the ceiling, so we can store things that we don't use every day. Up at the top, double oven, lots of deep drawers, and I think this might be my favorite part, is this drawer right here, which is for silverware. And it's built in, and you can push this all the way back, and there's 2 layers to it, which is really nice. And then over here, these are built-in benches, and we're gonna get a little table here and make this a little breakfast nook. I'm probably gonna get a new light fixture. And then here is the living room. It's pretty big, actually. So for now, we're just gonna move in our couch that we have, the sectional, the gray one that's in our current house. Nice fireplace. And what I'm most excited about are these stairs right here for Christmas. Decorating for Christmas is gonna be so fun. I'm picturing the Christmas tree here and then garlands along the stairs. And then that's the front door again. And then back through here, if you go this way, this is the garage. And then in here is the laundry room. Lots of cabinet storage, which I love. I've never had that before. And then this is different, but this goes in between the washer and dryer. We have a new washer and dryer coming, but it won't get here until the end of July. So I'll be doing laundry other places. But I think this is really cool just for more storage. And then back here, there's a nice window for some natural light. And then behind this door is a closet, and I'm thinking I'll probably use this closet and just keep the door open to like hang my wet laundry. And then back this way, this is the basement, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Right here is another coat closet. And then this is the master bedroom, and it's on the main level. We're probably gonna replace this and get a ceiling fan, although I do think that's cute. But tons of big windows, natural light. This whole house is all hardwoods and tile. There's no carpet anywhere. And then here is one of the walk-in closets. This one will be Andrew's. And then back here is the bathroom. I really love this master bathroom. There's a glass shower, which if you use a magic eraser, it's really easy to keep that clean. And then this is what I'm most excited about, is a separate tub from the shower, because I love taking baths. So I'm really excited about this. It's a nice big tub. And then here's the vanity double sink. The previous people who lived here left some stuff, so I'll be throwing that away. But look at all that storage. Tons of drawers, which I desperately needed in the house that we live in now. We didn't have any drawers at all. And then the drawers just continue up, which is really cool. And then I can keep like a hairdryer in there if I wanted to. I'm really excited about that. And then here is another walk-in closet. And this one is gonna be mine. Although Andrew has more clothes than I do, so he might need this one. We'll talk about it, we'll fight it out. I'm just kidding. And then here is the toilet, the door that closes. So now let's go upstairs. We might end up getting runners for the stairs because these are a little dangerous with kids. Oh, and I did like this right here. This is on the landing. I'll be able to decorate that. So coming up the stairs, there's a bedroom here, and these are all the kids' bedrooms. This one is Emerson's bedroom, and I think it's so cute. There's tons of character just with the way the walls are shaped. Nice big window. And then I'm thinking putting her bed right here, maybe. I don't know, I'll have to play around in here. But really cute. I kind of want to get some wallpaper, like floral wallpaper to go up here. And then she just has, it's not a walk-in closet, but that's fine. And then in here is, it's almost like a Jack and Jill bathroom, and it might technically be. It's got a door leading from her bedroom, but then the other door just goes out to the hallway, so it's not connected to two bedrooms. But here is a little linen closet, which is gonna be so nice to have that nearby. And then there's two sinks in here as well. Look at these mirrors. Aren't those super cute? And then lots of storage and drawers for the kids. And then a bathtub. I like the little window right there to let in some natural light. And then coming out of the bathroom, this is gonna be Oakley's room, and it is massive. It's huge, but I think this is gonna be the best room for him. What I'm picturing is having his crib over there, and maybe the rocking chair right here, and then dresser here on this wall, and then like a toy chest right here. Here's his closet. And then maybe right here, making this like a little rug with a train table or something like that, like a table to play with toys on. And Emerson can come in here and play as well. But I'm really excited about this. And then one thing, this light fixture, we're gonna take out of here and switch it with another one that's already in the house, and I'll show you which one in just a second. But I like this little nook over here. I think that's really cute. And then coming back out into the hallway, this is another bedroom. It's a lot smaller than the other two, but it's still really cute. And then this is a cool closet. It's a big walk-in closet with a really cute window. And then this is just unfinished storage space. Put like Christmas decorations or something up here. And then this is the light fixture I was talking about. This fan is gonna go in Oakley's room. It's kind of masculine, and I think it's really cute and gonna look really cute in his room. Here's another look at the stairs and then this little nook that I can decorate. I'm really excited to do that. And then here is the view from the stairs. This is one of my favorite things, is that you can just look down and see the family, see the kids running around, and just see the really pretty house. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna show you is the basement. So there's the master bedroom, and then you come down here, down these stairs to the basement. And then if you go to the right from the stairs, this is another like living area. And I love these windows. Tons of natural lighting, another fireplace. These are gas fireplaces. We'll put a TV over here. And we're gonna put that IKEA couch that we have in our current house here for now. I would like to get new couches altogether, but for now we're gonna do that. And this is just gonna be a nice little like movie hangout, little living area for the kids. And then over here, I'm planning on making this the toy space. So right now in our basement, we have kind of a similar setup in our basement, but this is where we're gonna put the toys. Over here is storage. I'm really excited about this. Tons of storage space for kids' clothes that they've outgrown and decor, maybe extra decor, Christmas and things like that. And then coming back in here, here's another look, the living space. Back in here, this is just a utility closet, so where the hot water heaters are and things like that. Nothing really exciting. This is gonna be kind of hard to see, but this is a cute little storage nook. But I was thinking of making this a cute little space for the kids to kind of hang out. It's perfect for them, and I would have loved this as a kid. It goes back just that far. Maybe put some cute like peel and stick flooring, maybe like a little tap light or something, and just making this a cute little hideaway for the kids. And then here is another full bath down here in the basement. It's just a walk-in shower, sink, and vanity. And then here is what's gonna be my office. A nice big room. I'm gonna set up my Young Living stuff in here. It's gonna be a great place that I can edit, and I'm really excited to have a dedicated office space. Here is one walk-in closet down here. And then back through here is another walk-in closet, but this one's massive. And this is gonna be Andrew's office. He's gonna set himself up in here, make it his own. He's gonna take down this shelving just to give himself more room. So he gets his own office as well. So that is it. That's our brand new house. I hope you guys like it. We're really excited and we feel just really blessed. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so that you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. We have lots of moving in vlogs, and I'm gonna do tons of decorating videos as well as cleaning videos in this house. So if you are interested in any of that, make sure you're subscribed. You can also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to keep up with us on a more day-to-day basis. All right guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.